Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gargoyles Den Diecast. I'm Gargoyle, of course, and it's time. Time for what, you ask, Gargoyle? It's time to do a red line. Let's do this. Today we're going to be doing Custom Fleetside. Let's get right into it, and I'll do it step by step for you guys, as always. Get you a shot of oil on either your drill bit or the car, one of the two. Use a self-centering bit. Take off that last little bit of ring with the second bit. Enough persuasion. Not worried about the wheels because I'm replacing all that. If I can get underneath, there it goes. Oh, pop out of there. Just a little more. Trying not to go too deep because I don't want to damage the base itself. There it goes. There we are. Obviously the interior is shot because it's missing the back piece. I've acquired another one for that. Ew, crusties. Yeah. I'll just send that right over to the garbage can now. Here's our glass. It's got a rivet in it also, so let's go ahead. Oh, well, I was going to say go ahead and drill it out, but we don't need to. It came right out anyway. Toss that in the Zep degreaser. Base, we're going to leave the wires on for the wheels. The wheels I'll leave on for now. That way when I buff it, I don't damage the bearings. And then we'll change out the wheels there before the end of the build for the reveal. Alright. Let's go ahead and file this flat. With these, they are very small. They are red lines, so I'll be using the 172 screws. We want to make sure they're perfectly centered, so I'm going to flatten these out a little bit because I didn't go nearly as deep as I normally go with these because they're so much smaller than usual. The only ones smaller than this, I think, are probably the crap, I forgot the name of it. Little white car. Yeah, that one. But yeah, those are really small. Not the Jackrabbit, the little white race car. God, why am I not remembering the name of it right now? I'll put it up in the video. But yeah, those are super small. And then let's get our center punch. Now you'll notice when it was punched before, when they spun it, they dented this up a little bit. We're going to go ahead and try and tap that back down. Let me see if I can find my hobby hammer here. Alright, well, there's a will, there's a way. Today my name is Will. We will just do this. As you can tell, it pretty much did it. It's not bolted up anymore. And that's that. Alright, let's take it over and get it drilled out, and then it's going to the regurgitation juice. Back momentarily. There we have it. Give it a little rinse off with isopropyl alcohol, and that's going to be good to go. Change those tires later on, pour it in, and put it back together. In the meantime, the body should be done in the regurgitation juice by now. So I'll go over and get it and bring it over here and polish it up, and then we'll go back to the paint booth to paint it. Yeah, I'll leave the wheels on that for the moment. Alright, let me go grab the body. Alright, as you can hear in the background, the paint job is curing in the dehydrator. Sorry about that, but I'm trying to save time today, so I'm going to go ahead and get this part started. And get these old wheels cut off, the new ones put on, and try to get them bent back into semblance of shape that they should be in. Suggest cutting them off rather than just trying to pull them off, because a lot of times if you pull them off, you pull the bearings off with them, and we don't want that. We have a roller. Nice and straight. Brand new shoes all the way around. Sorry about the dog burning. Nothing I can do about that. Well, I could go beat them, but they don't learn, so it doesn't matter. soon as the body's done dry, we will be back for a reveal. See you in a few minutes. And here we are. This is my custom Fleetside. Looks pretty good, I think. Came out better than the last one that I did. I struggled with that one. That one I called the frustrating Fleetside. If you want, you can go back and watch that video. That one is probably about 6 months ago. But yeah, I do not like the interiors of these, the way it's designed, because you have to put in the glass in the interior pretty much at the same time. So it makes it kind of hard. But we got it done. Looks beautiful compared to what it did. And this one will probably go up on the auction block on eBay. So if you're interested, take a look there. I'm under JamGargoyle_3. Until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.